Bita Shafai, 18 years old, Iranian young political activist, member of Iran Generation Z. She's a active supporter of Pahlavi family. She's a meeting with Queen Mother of Iran, Shahanbanu Hanım Farah Pahlavi, and supporters Iran Crown Prince Highness Excellency Mr. Reza Pahlavi. He's arrested by the Ali Khamenei regime. Iran highest level of political persecution at death execution. We are voice of Bita Shafai, Fatimeh Zehbehri, and Khalid Pirzadeh, and many political prisoners of Iran. I'm appeal to international community, please not silence and voice of Iran political prisoners.